In your opinion, what is considered poor for a day's pay in the Philippines? What is considered good career in the Philippines? What is your job, ma'am? I'm just being nosy. What is your job?
Um, Actually, I am a
In your opinion, what is considered poor for a day's pay in the Philippines?
For me, I think it ranges from 250 to 350.
Okay.
That's all.
that's my month. 350.
350 pesos. Okay, 350 pesos daily. What kind of job pays 350 pesos or 250 pesos?
What?
What kind of job pays 350 pesos?
I think being staff po sa Jollibee crew.
Okay. So she's not sure. Okay, what do you call these? Crew from Jollibee like that. And how about you, the 250? What job pays 250 pesos daily?
I think it's janitor, janitress.
Okay. How about this one? What is considered good career in the Philippines?
For me, anything government-based work.
Okay, government. How about you?
Being a flight attendant.
Mm.
OA.
Do you have any idea how much government officials, their salaries?
Yeah. I think it ranges from 600K to 80K. I think.
80,000 Philippine pesos to 600,000 Philippine pesos. That's wow.
Yeah.
That's like rich. 600,000, that's a lot, more than half a million pesos. How about you, Be? How about any do you have any idea how much flight attendant, their salaries are?
I think 80 above. 80K above.
Okay. Okay, 80,000 Philippine pesos above. Okay. So you both are student, right? College students. The same courses? The same course?
Yeah, IT.
IT. What is IT?
Information technology.
And what year are you now?
Fourth year.
Graduating. Oh, congratulations in advance. Next year you will graduate. God bless you. Good luck and congratulations. Okay, so after you graduate, okay, what job are you planning to apply?
I think it's from ano, government base again.
Government as well.
I think it's under LTO or DOH.
Department of Health, LTO, Land Transportation, something like that.
Yeah.
Okay, those who process the what do you call this?
Papers
Paperwork. Like the what do you call, like, what is LTO for?
for vehicle.
Vehicles. Yes. Okay. And how much is their salary?
Actually, I don't know yet, but I really like to work for. I wanna be public servant.
Public servant. What? Public servant. Good for you. And how about you?
For me, since I have no job experience at all, I want to go under what we call that, being a call center agent, so that I can enhance my speaking English. Yes, ate! Like that po. That's all.
How much call center agents? How much is their salary?
My friend said that it depends on your position. So I think 80 above again.
80,000 above as well. Wow. That's a lot of money, right?
Yeah.
Are you both singles? They're so pretty. We saw them from far away, and I was like, I want to interview them. They're very humble. Are you single?
Right now, please call.
How about you? How about you? Are you single?
Yes. Yeah.
In your opinion, what is considered poor for a day's pay in the Philippines? Madam says, it's okay, don't worry. She got nervous now because I'm speaking English. Okay, what is considered poor, in your opinion, for a day's pay in the Philippines?
For me po, mako-consider natin siyang poor na sa when it comes to sahod po.
Yeah, a day.
Yeah. Actually, wala po akong maano diyan kasi ako po, in my opinion, hindi ko pa naman po siya nararanasan.
Oh, yes, she said that she couldn't really tell because she never experienced.
Mm.
Never experienced what?
Yung sinasabi ko pong parang minimum ang
Oh, you never experienced earning minimum wage.
Yeah.
Why? What is your job? She never experienced
Yeah.
earning minimum wage in the Philippines. So what is your job, ma'am? I'm just being nosy. What is your job?
Actually, I am a hotel supervisor. Yeah, and I'm also a working student po.
Oh, work. Wow.
Yeah.
Amazing, right? Okay. But in just your opinion, ma'am, I understand that you never experience earning minimum wage in the Philippines. But in your opinion, what is the considered poor here? What do you call this, for a day's pay? What is poor for you?
I think pag hindi po nami-meet yung halimbawa yung yung binibigay mo naman yung best mo, then hindi nasasahudan ng tama. Parang ganun.
Mom says when you do your best, but you're not getting the right amount, like that. Can you give us like a number to be specific? It's fine. Just your any number.
No,
No number. Okay. Okay, how about you, ma'am? What? Any amount. Like 100 pesos a day, 150, any amount. Like just for you, that for you think it's considered poor.
I think 100.
100 pesos. Okay.
Street na
exceeding 8 hours of duty, then ang sahod mo lang is below minimum.
Oh. So if someone is working over 8 hours and you're earning minimum below the minimum wage, so that is considered poor for you, ma'am. The same thing with you, ma'am, right? Okay, ma'am, are you happy with your salary as a hotel, what do you call, manager? Are you happy with your salary?
Yes.
You have to, because your boss might.
You might see it.
Hopefully, we earn your subscription. And also, if you like our content, please consider becoming a member for exclusive videos. Thank you so much for watching, and take care, everyone. Bye-bye.
Beautiful reflections